Begin this afternoon with the flooding in New Jersey that is still impacting several communities. Many now beginning the long process of cleaning up as the water finally starts to recede.
In Little Falls, the Red Cross providing hot meals and cleaning supplies to flood victims, but some say they need more than that, especially just days before Christmas. The town also taking precautions to prevent burglaries and looting by checking IDs in the area as people who were forced out by the rising water finally return home.
Meanwhile, we are hearing more incredible rescue stories, including this one. A man trapped in his car pulled to safety by a woman who left the safety of her home to enter that waist-deep floodwater and carry that man out. A woman left the safety of her home, waded through water. That is a quintessential rescue story.
Absolutely. Eyewitness News reporter Dan Kraut live in Wayne with the very latest. Dan.
Sandra and David, the word incredible is the right word used to describe what happened here in this neighborhood. The floodwaters are slowly starting to inch its way down here in Wayne, New Jersey, but it's not going down fast enough. About an hour ago, the water came up to about where I'm standing right now, and over the last hour, as you can see, it has receded a bit. This is the main entryway to this neighborhood where many people are trapped inside their homes. At one point, the floodwater's so bad, a woman had to rescue her own neighbor.
Okay, just let him walk, let him walk.
He can't stand up, he said.
The dangerous rescue captured on video, and the woman who carried it off is mother of three, Christine Ortiz.
I'm just like, somebody's in the car, like, what are we got to do something.
We interviewed her by Zoom because her Wayne home is still surrounded by water.
And I'm yelling, Bob, Bob, Bob. He's not really responding to me. He's moving super slow motion. And I'm like, something's wrong. Oh, these are my steps.
Tuesday night, Ortiz opened her door to check on the rising floodwaters when she spotted her elderly neighbor trapped with freezing cold waters filling up his SUV. She called 911 and jumped in to save him.
Oh my God.
Armed with a frying pan, she was able to eventually pull her neighbor out of the car, put him on her back, and swim home.
There you go.
They kept him warm until paramedics were able to get to the house.
As soon as I got him in the house, I said, this is why we're here. Like, this is why we stayed here instead of leaving and going to like a hotel.
I really appreciate it. You're welcome. Have a good one.
Those who aren't trapped inside their homes showed up to get disaster cleanup kits from the American Red Cross today.
I literally left with the clothes I had on my back.
One family after another with a similar story.
We had no choice but to get rescued. It's unlivable conditions. It's, our cars, our belongings, sentimental value stuff is gone.
And a similar situation in multiple communities like Little Falls, where some people are allowed to go back to their homes, but they need to show ID first.
We are looking to limit anybody there who's looking to do any wrong.
Local leaders declared a state of emergency, but no declaration from the state. The governor saying they're monitoring the situation around the clock.
If everybody does their part and helps out the next person, this world will be so much better than what it is now.
It would be so much better. Luckily, Christine has enough food, and she also has electricity at her home, but hundreds of other families here aren't as lucky.